Happy Garden Gamer Crash Gaming Chair Black and Blue Ergonomic Office Chair with lumbar support and headrest, rotatable, height adjustable and tilting backrest. About this item. The Crash armchair and its sporty design will bring you comfort and well-being. Ergonomic and design-oriented, specially designed for fans of video games. It looks like a rally bucket, has armrests, and stands on a frame with wheels. Ergonomics. With its ergonomic shape and soft padding, this gamer chair is the ideal companion for long working days and gaming activities. A sturdy seat. The sturdy crossbase of the swivel chair is equipped with non-slip double casters and a height-adjustable gas lift to ensure maximum comfort and excellent stability of the chair. Material quality. Thanks to the materials used for this gamer chair, this chair remains easy to clean and offers unparalleled comfort and high robustness. Dimensions: armchair. D72x W64x H114 to 123.5 cm, seat height, H45 to 54.5 cm, material, cover, polyurethane, base, chrome, colors, cover, black/blue, frame, black, feet, black, for assembly, delivered in one package in pas de porte, NBASD immobile. Product information. Item details. Brand name Happy Garden. Additional features: adjustable height, armrest. Unit count 1 count. Recommended uses for product play. Room type game recreation room. Age range description teen. Included components: cushion, pillow, wheel, arm mount. Indoor-outdoor usage: indoor. Model number BUR05B. Manufacturer Happy Garden. Item type: name chair. Manufacturer part number BUR05B. ASIN B07M5GD3GZ. Materials and care. Material type: polyurethane. Frame material type: nylon. Assembly instructions description: assembly instructions included, English language not guaranteed. Style: color blue. Back style: solid back. Pattern: solid. Finish types: unfinished. Shape: curved. Arm style: rounded. Leg style: rollers. Form factor: upholstered. Measurements. Item dimensions: DXWXH 23.23 inch, DX 11.81, WX 31.1H. Size 30D x79W x 59H cm. Item weight 15.5 kilograms. Unit count 1 count. Seat height 45 centimeters. Seat depth 28.35 inches. Item depth 72. Item dimensions 11.81 by 31.1 by 23. 23 inches. Features and specs. Additional features: adjustable height, armrest. Furniture base movement glide. Reclining position count 1.